Once again I welcome you in my class. As you know that we are discussing the chapter what is democracy and why democracy. In some previous lecture we have discussed that what is democracy, and to find out the answer of this question we have discussed the many topics. We also take the reference of the many countries and try to just justified or define that what is democracy. तमाम चीज़ों को हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया and we just find out that so many of reason, so many of examples. We have take the many examples of the many country and just discuss too much about what is democracy. After knowing this concept what is democracy, there is another point can be come in the student mind that why we need a democracy. हमें democracy की आवश्यकता क्यों है? Why democracy? So when we talk about the why democracy, there are so many things which prove that we need a democracy and इसकी हमें आवश्यकता है. Democratic form of system is far better as comparatively to the any kind of system. Either you talk about dictatorship, either you talk about monarchy system or any other orthodox system. Comparatively a system, कोई भी वो system अच्छा माना जाता है where the right of the citizen, the values of the citizen, their fundamental right are preserved, their duties are signified and the values are given in a proper way. So if we talk about the democracy, sometime the question can come in your examination, why democracy? Democracy ही क्यों? Why not dictatorship? Why not any other form of system? Sometimes some of the educationists says that comparatively democracy, the dictatorship form of government is far better, because in dictatorship the decisions are taken quickly. If you compare with the democracy, in democracy there is a deliberation and negotiation while taking any decision. In democratic form of system, we are not supposed to take decision very quickly. We see that the pros and causes of the decision. So sometime there is a delay in democratic form of system, but even then we cannot neglect. There are some countries which are dictatorship and which are more developed. If we talk about the economic terms, अगर हम आर्थिक आधार पे बात करें, इकोनॉमिक टर्म्स की बात करें तो बहुत सारी कंट्री ऐसी हैं जो डेवलप्ड है, बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट वी कैन नॉट नेग्लेक्ट आवर डेमोक्रेसी. सो टुडेज लेक्चर इज व्हाई डेमोक्रेसी. क्यों डेमोक्रेसी क्यों आवश्यक है? तो देयर आर फ्यू पॉइंट विच आई मेंशन हियर एंड दे विल जस्ट प्रूफ दैट व्हाई डेमोक्रेसी. First is that democratic form of government is better form of government in any kind of system. Either you talk about dictatorship, monarchy or hereditary king. किसी भी की आप तुलनात्मक अध्ययन करें, you will find that democratic form of system is far better. We cannot compare. This is the system where the right of the citizens are preserved. It is a system where the values of citizen have been given by the concerned government. It is a system where there is a role of opposition. Here is a system when we can raise our voice against our own government. All these possible only in democracy. That's why we can say we need democracy. Democracy provide better form of government as comparatively to the any other form of government. The second is accountable government. When we elect any government, through the vote. And in democratic form of system, the government is accountable for each and every issues. Not like that Zimbabwe, that president of Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe, change in the constitution and make himself as a less accountable. No, you can take the examples of India. In India, for each and every issues, the government is accountable. If there is no employment, if there is a poverty, if there is any crime, for everything we can consider that the government or elected government is accountable. सरकार चाहे एक दिन में सारी चीजें दुरुस्त कर सकती है. There are some example in there are some democratic form of system जहां पर कुछ कमियां हैं, but even them we can not neglect the democratic form of system because in democracy they are accountable government. The government elect होती है वो accountable government होती है. Next is deal with the differences. You take the example of India. In India there is a too much of diversities are found. There are many states, different type of people spoke different type of languages. Their festivals, their customs, their rituals are different. Even them, the democratic government deal with the people with the differences and try to satisfy, provide the facilities, sorted out all the issues. Such kind of features, such kind of merits only found in democracy. That's why we can say democracy is mandatory. Question है ना, why democracy? That's why democracy. Improve the decision making. There are different platforms when we take the decision. आप अगर इंडिया की बात करें, भारत में there are 3 organs. Number 1, legislature, executive and judiciary. These are the 3 organs of the government. To take the decision, this is the responsibility. To make the law, this is the responsibility of the legislature. Whatever the law made by the legislature, that should be properly implemented. This is the responsibility of the executive. And what the rules and regulation, what the law has been made by the legislature, execute by the executive, they are actually implemented or not. To check out this situation, this is the responsibility of the judiciary. There is a proper channel, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं कि एक proper channel है जिसके माध्यम से decision लिए जाते हैं. So there is a possibility in democracy to improve the decision making. If we take any decision in favor of peoples and we feel that this decision is not working well, we can improve our decision. We can add on the things. We can amendment in our constitution. This is possible only in democracy, where all the things are open. Desire of the human beings are open. Requirement of the human beings are open, and accordingly the government have to act. So sometime there is a important things that it improve the decision making. Last but not the least, that enhance dignity. In democratic form of system, every citizen have their own dignity, and in this system the dignity of individual are improved. हमारी जो dignity है वो improve होती है. We have right to raise our voice. We have right to ask the government. We have right to just criticize the government. We have right to put some program and policies in front of the government. So our dignity is maintained in this system. So on the basis of this discussion, we can say that why democracy? Because of this, democracy is mandatory for us, and this is the good system for any particular country, that they should be established their democratic form of government in their own country, but not like that कि all these things should be given and all these things, एक तरीके से ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि अधिकार सीमित हो या असीमित हो जाएं. No, it should be in a proper way, proper way में होना चाहिए. आप जिम्बाब्वे को ले लीजिएगा, फिजी को ले लीजिएगा, एस्टोनिया को लीजिएगा, there are some lacking behind to establish the democratic form of system. But if you take the example of India, you can find the democracy in a proper way. So why democracy? Because of this, democracy is हमारे लिए इसलिए जरूरी है. All the best for this topic. In the next lecture, we will also discuss about some argument against democracy. इसके कुछ argument है जिसको हम discuss करेंगे.